So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your UK number at a very affordable rate. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you right in this video. Now, the particular app you're going to be using is actually this particular Vyke app. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the method of which I use in getting this particular numbers for a cheap price, at a discount price. Okay, so what we are going to be doing, just to follow the guide I'll be explaining right in this video. Now, but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of King. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to also make reviews about platforms to earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you are interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. And for my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to support this channel. Now we are going to download this particular Vyke app, and I'm going to be showing you the method of which you can get it at a very affordable rate at a discount price, because the actual price is actually around 12,000 per month. So I'm going to be making this video very straightforward, and you're going to be getting the value. Now we are going to be clicking on open right here, and I'm going to be showing you the method of which you can get these numbers for at an affordable rate. Now, if you're new to Vyke, you're going to be having something like this. Now, you just need to put in your phone number and click on continue. You need a Nigerian number for you to have access to this app. So I'm going ahead to put in my Nigerian number right here, and I'm going to click on continue right now. So, and I'm going to click on OK. So a PIN will be sent to me, and I'm going to continue the process of signing into my Vyke account. So you just need to hold on a little while for the loading to take place. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's actually loading. All right, so our PIN has been sent. So what I just need to do is to insert that PIN right here. Okay, so the code is 544133. So I'll be logged in right now. So I need to enter an email address for this. So I'm going to put in an email address to continue. So I'm going to put this right here. Okay, so I'm done putting the email address. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now a code needs to be sent to that email address. So I'm also waiting for the code. I just got the code right now. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to insert this right here. Okay, 238465. Okay, so I'm going to be logged in. Now you can see you need to accept the terms of this particular app. So we have actually accepted that. So you scroll down. Okay, so I think let's just go back. You just get to understand all this. So go back. So you accept this. Okay, so now you come right here and click on continue. Now you need to allow, so you'll be brought into the surface of this. Okay, so just click, keep on clicking on next. So you are brought to this particular interface where it says get number. So right now you actually want to get a number, UK number, US number, any foreign number of your choice. So we are going to come down to country right here, and we are going to select United Kingdom, and we are going to be selecting duration. So right here you can see for 1 month you are paying $5.99. Then for 3 months you are paying $7. So you can actually see that it's quite expensive. So what you're going to be doing is to come down to click on this particular one, which is the 1 month, and you can see you can pay with Google. So right here you still need to come down here to actually name this. Let's say we are naming this UK. Let's leave the UK King. Okay, let's leave the UK King, and so let's click on update. That is actually the name of this particular mobile number I want to get, the profile. So you can see that you can purchase this number using your credit. You can purchase using your Google. So what I would advise you to do is to go through your Google. Okay, so let's actually say we are not getting this 1 month. Let me go back to take this 3 months, which is $7.99. So you can see that right here. So this is what you're going to be seeing. So You can actually make payments using your credit card, or you can make payments using your Google Pay. So, but I would advise you go through your Google Pay. So once you click on that right here, you can actually see the option that popped out for me. Now for you, you're not going to be getting this option, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get this option popped up on your device. So what you're going to be doing will be explained after the purchase of this particular number. So that is what you're going to be doing. So when you come right here, you can see Google Play, £1 play discount. If you go on doing this, you're not going to be getting this pop-up. Now this pop-up is actually a discount for you to purchase this number. As you can see, Google Play and £1 play discount. Use it on an app, game, or in-app item over £1. Use now or expire 7 days after offer is applied. So once you click on this apply right here, now once you click on apply, you can actually see that limited to one purchase, ends 30th October. So you can come right here and you can actually see that I have applied this. So what I just need to do is to go ahead to make the purchase. So you are going to be seeing the discounts I'll be getting right now. So I'm going to come right here and click on more. Okay, so once I click on more right here, it's going to direct me where I need to add my details. Then I'm going to continue with this particular purchase, and you're going to be seeing the discount price I'm going to be receiving. So you can see right now that this actually reads United Kingdom when I inserted this. So what I'm going to do now is to click on save. Okay, so right now I'm actually saving the card to proceed with this payment. So you can see right now I'm actually taking this. So right now you can see the discount price I just got. So you can see that this 3 months actually is gonna be for £6. You can see that right here. So formerly it was supposed to be 7.99. So you can see that right here. So it is actually 6.99, not 7.99 again. So they actually gave me a discount. So when you come right here, you can see under the terms of service, valid for a £1 credit against an app, game, or in-app items with an unstored price with an unstored price greater than £1 at the time of purchase is made on Google Play. In-app subscription and book excluded. Okay, open to select participate based on their purchase history. Credit applied as checkout. Credit expires 7 days after redemption. The limit 1 per user. Okay, valid in this particular United Kingdom. Okay, if it's for United States, you are going to be getting more. So I'm going to be explaining that later. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do this on your own. But before that, let me quickly go ahead to click on tap to buy. So once I click on tap to buy right here, it's going to actually keep on processing right now. You can actually see the process. So this is the process I'm going to use to get this number. So I'm going to insert this code right here. So I'm going to insert this code right now. And I'm going to authorize this. So as you can see, I just made the purchase. Now let me show you what I did for me to get this discount at a cheaper rate. You can actually see that this number is actually activated. This is where you can actually get this number. Once you click on this UK tracking, you can see that that is the UK number right here. So that is how to get your UK number and also apply your promo code and get it at a cheaper rate. So now let me show you what I did for me to get and apply that discount. Now when you come over to your Google Play Store, come over this hamburger icon right here, your profile, then come down to payment and subscription. Okay, then click on payment method. Then under payment method, come down to click on more payment settings. Okay, now once you click on more payment settings, it's going to take you over to the web. Okay, so under this particular interface right here, you're going to be seeing settings, you're going to be seeing activities, payments, subscription, and the like of settings right here. Okay, click on setting. Now once you click on setting, make sure your browser is actually on default browser. Okay, so make sure it's on default browser. So you are going to be editing these options right here. You can actually edit this. So you are going to be editing your region and your city, okay, your country and your region. So you need to edit it to United States. Once you edit your profile right here with this method I just showed you to United States, you'll be able to apply that discount. And if you're applying this discount, make sure you have a dollar card, or better still, you can still use your Naira card. But I would advise you have a dollar card so you can have a swift transaction. So that is how you can actually get through this. You just follow the steps and you're going to be applying your own promo code and getting your Vyke US or UK or foreign number for a cheaper rate with this method. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions regarding everything I said in this video, feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. So see you on my next video and keep winning.